We are discussing about a hypermap here. When we have some data like a coordinate or a track, we usually open a background image or a background map and see. But when it comes to the GPS, you might be needing 2 or 3 maps at a time to see the detailed information. So we use a hypermap. Hypermap is usually a combination of 2 or 3 maps which are loaded in the GPS for precise details. So here we have taken data from the GPS. It's a track, and the background image is showing that this belongs to a forest region. So there is a track that has been recorded in a forest region, but the details are not that exact or that accurate. So you can see only a blur image or incomplete details of the location. You don't know whether you have water or you have any other any terrains. So for this we need to add one more map, and when you are adding this one more map, you will see a detailed structure. So we go to the maps and then we load the topographic map. In the topographic map we'll see the heights, elevations, the name of the places, and also the contour maps showing the change in the altitude and the nearby water sources or any other details. So this is giving a better picture than the previous map, but at the same time we want both the maps. I want the map with the green forest, and at the same time I want the map with the altitudes. So for this purpose I'll be using the hypermap. So I'm going to add both the maps and then place the track on the map. Then I will get a better picture of what is exactly in the area. So I go to the file and then I'll be creating the hypermap. So in the hypermap the main option is the special feature about the land software is, though you can add many maps, you can set a place like which map has to come on the top and which map has to come on the bottom. After that, once you zoom to a particular location or a particular resolution, then the top map will be hidden and the other map will be shown on the GPS or on the display. So for this we are just selecting a map which you wanted to see it on the top, and then so this is the forest map which I wanted to show immediately when I open the track in my GPS. So I'm just keeping it on the top, and from here when I'm zooming it I am seeing a little detail. I just wanted to compare the both maps once. So this is the topographic map which is showing the elevation and all, and the forest map which is showing only the greenery and the structure. So I'll go to the greenery map, and in that I'll be going for the view option. This is very important, at what resolution you wanted to hide this map. So I'm zooming the map first and see at which resolution the clarity is little weak. So I'm just selecting the current resolution. After this resolution, when I zoom inside, the other map will be loaded and the previous map will be hidden. So this is the process of doing the hypermap, and once the hypermaps are done, you can just go to the save and save the map. This will be saved, and after that you can share this map to anyone and they will be opening the map in the GPS, and they will be seeing the base map first, and once they zoom they will be seeing the topographic map also can be seen. So this is how you will be doing the hypermap. These hypermaps are very important in forest surveys and also while doing some trekking. So these maps are easy to create in the desktop land software, and after that you can transfer them to the PC, or you can share it with the people who are going to the same location. So this will be a very good opportunity to add multiply maps and see at a time.